Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about enable or disable hardware accelerations in the Opera web browser. So basically hardware accelerations is a feature used to boost browser performance. It helps to upload tasks from the CPU to other hardware devices so it doesn't affect the browsing experience. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up an Opera browser. And then dito lang sa top left corner, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Opera logo. So i-click lang natin yan. And then next step ay select lang natin itong settings. And then pwede mo gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Alt plus P. And then click lang natin yan. And then next step, dito na sa right side ay kailangan ulit natin mag-scroll down. And then dito sa pinakadulo, makikita mo dito yung advanced. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then dito sa advanced, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung system. Okay, so scroll down ulit tayo dito. Right, and then, okay, so ito siya. So makikita mo dito yung system. Hindi yung pinakauna lang ng use graphics accelerations when available. Kung paano ba natin yan enable or disable, dito na sa right side, makikita mo dito yung button niya. And then, kapag ganito, ibig sabihin naka-enable siya. So kapag ganyan, ibig sabihin naka-disable. And then, kapag i-on mo ulit, kailangan mo lang mag-relaunch. So click mo lang itong relaunch and then wait natin. Okay, and then next step, so same procedure, so click mo lang and punta ka lang dito sa advanced, so click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then next dito sa advanced settings ay kailangan ulit natin i-select or i-locate natin yung system. Ito siya. Ayan mga kaibigan. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to enable or disable hardware accelerations in Opera browser. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.